Hello guys, good day and welcome to Arky News. I'm Architect Jojo. So today, December 3, 2025 and we're here again in Congressional Town Center, Tower 3. And papakita ko sa inyo yung tinatawag na elevator shear wall. So nandito tayo sa taas and papakita ko yung top view ng ating elevator shear wall. Now guys, ano ba yung shear wall? A shear wall is an structural elements that resist lateral forces, particularly the wind and also seismic activity. So it prevents the building from swaying and also from collapsing. So itong shear wall na to, no, dinidistribute niya rin yung mga lateral forces doon sa ating foundation or doon sa ating mat foundation. So ito yung nagbibigay ng tibay also dito sa ating elevator core. So ito guys, yung mga bakal ng ating shear wall. So it serves also as the shear wall of our elevator. So we have here a 4-car elevator. Dito, dalawa dito sa area na to and another 2 dito sa side na to. Now, in the middle, ito naman yung ating elevator hallway, yung pinaka-elevator lobby. So yan yung shear wall natin dito sa ating elevator. So kita nyo yung mga vertical bars na naglalakihan na yan. So it is 36mm diameter na rebars. So hindi lang tayo makababa, no, dahil kakaulan lang at may tubig yung area ng ating mat foundation. So yan. Ito ngayon yung ating elevator shear wall dito sa ating site project. Another angle of our shear wall. So hindi pa kumpleto yung bakal na yan, no? Meron pa tayong mga horizontal bars na ilalagay dyan sa ating shear wall. Kakatapos lang ng ulan kaya may tubig yung ating mat foundation. But later on, ipapump out natin yung water na yan to prevent our rebars to be submerged into water. Alright guys, so I hope nakapagbigay sa inyo ng konting knowledge itong na-share ko sa inyo ngayong araw na to, December 3, 2025. I'm Architect Jojo, joyfully sharing with you what Arky knows. Thank you very much and God bless you all.